So today I got a quick video on the ZT10 scooter on what to do if you get an 8 beep code on coming out of your tiller. That's when the tiller is going to beep 8 times at you. What that is most likely one of the motor cables came unplugged under the batteries. So I'm going to show you how to access that first. First thing we're going to do is take off the seat. I'm going to fold the seat down so I can get better grip, and then the seat just comes straight up like that. You can set it to the side. And then now we have this battery shroud to take out. And basically you just want to pop it up. It's just kind of resting in there under these hooks. And now we have access to the inside of our scooter. Now we have access to the inside of the scooter. I'm going to remove this strap so we can see what's going on. And what we have in here is we have 2 cables connected to the batteries. These are your power. If one of these comes unplugged, you're just going to lose power to the scooter. But back here, these are your motor cables, marked by number 1 and number 2. If these come undone, and I have my scooter on currently, so see I can drive it. If one of these comes unplugged, let's say this one, and then I attempt to drive the scooter, I'm going to get an 8 flash code. And then the scooter won't drive. So what you want to do is plug it back in. And it's going to keep beeping at you like that. So I have it plugged back in, but the beeping is still going. What you want to do is turn the power off and then back onto the scooter. And now I can drive again without any issues. That would happen if either of these 2 comes unplugged. Now these cables can come undone somewhat easily through normal driving. So what you can do, this one has some Velcro around it that's trying to hold it in. You can also get some like painter's tape or electrical tape and then wrap it around the bottom of the plug to really make sure it's not going to go anywhere. And that can help prevent this from happening in the future. But if you're getting an 8 flash code on your scooter, check these plugs. That is most likely what it is. And then once we're done, I'm going to put the scooter back together, and then we should be able to continue normal operation. So that was how to fix an 8 flash code on the ZT10 scooter. If you like this unit or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.